are moving on to the second single hand gesture, which is known as Tirupataka. You know Tirupataka hand gestures. Most of you have learned the hand gesture. That is this. The fourth finger is bended. This is called Tirupataka hand gesture. For in Nirtya, Nirta we are using for so many steps. Teyum, Tatta, all this we are using it. But for Nirtya, for what purpose we are using it? Touching something auspicious things. Putting photos, drawing something like putting eye text and drawing something on it. For light the lamp through the union of men and women together. Those are the things we are showing through these hand gestures. And also it is normally you can see all this is the lamp and lightening the lamp. For all these purpose, the Tirupataka hand gesture is used in Nirtya section of dance. Nirtya hands, as I have already told, those hands don't reveal anything purposely. It is only to add the beauty. That's why in English it is called beauty hands. In Tamil it is called Elilkai. Artha Padaha hand gesture, we have already learned the Padaha hand gesture, Tirupataka hand gesture, the third one in the sequence of single hand gesture, Artha Padaha hand gesture. The name of this hand gesture is Artha Padaha. We are not using this hand gesture in Nirtya, we are using this hand gesture only in Nirtya for certain purposes, to interpret two people, riverbeds, to show the creeper, to show the horn, to write something, and to show the crown. For all these purposes, we are using this mudra in the Abhinaya. Abhinaya means in the interpretation of meaning in the Nirtya section. For this is the Artha Padaha hand gesture. But the steps, the students who are learning in the process of Adabus, you won't come to know this hand gesture because it is not in the Nirtya. It is not in the Nirtya. It is always in the Nirtya only. There is no room for it to keep it in the Nirtya. We can use it in the Nirtya only. Now we are going to move the fourth single hand gesture. First we have learned the Pataka, second we have learned the Tirupataka, third we have learned Artha Pataka, and fourth we are using the Kartari. That is, you can see we are just lifting the middle finger out. That's all. That is for, this is the scissors, blades of the scissors, to show the blades of the scissors, to show the separation of men and women, to show the eye and creeper, also certain level we are showing it, and to show the animals, cow, bull, buffalo. The other mudra is the Mayura mudra. That is, the hasta is Mayura hasta. This is to show the peak of the peacock. And this hand is also be used to show the peacock, like this way, like this way, and like this way. All this, or this way. All this we are using this hand gesture. And to show the forehead also, tears, shedding tears, and take the hair out of the forehead and vomiting, like something like this, to show. All these we are using this hand gesture, Mayura hand gesture. We are not using the hand gesture for Nirtya. This is purely for the interpretation of the songs, Nirtya. Only we are using Nirtya, Natya and all we are using, not for Nirtya. that I have already told you. For Nirta there are altogether most probably we are using 13 hand gestures. Single hand gestures, double hand gestures, we are using only 13 hand gestures to show the beauty of the dance only. This hand gesture won't come into that category. So in the text I am giving you an outline, but you can go through the text. That could be you can get some one or two more illustrations. Next is the Artha Chandra, that is this mudra. This mudra is called Artha Chandra. This mudra is purely used for the Nritya. You can know that this hand gesture for several purposes we are using it. To show the meditation, to show the half moon, to show the ears of the elephant. Like this way, for Abhinaya we are using the hand gesture for our elephant ears. And waist, to show the waist, and do the abhishek to the god. By this Artha Chandra we are using abhishek for god and putting tala, like this way, putting tala for all. So for these purposes specially we are using this Artha Chandra. And also, as I have already told you, for the dance is a creativity art form. For the need and necessity we will adapt these mudras according to our need in the songs. And half moon for elephant ears, to show the waist, and putting tala to carry a child. Also we can use the Artha Chandra, and also to insult somebody, like this. Like this way we can use the Artha Chandra. The next hand gesture is Aralam. The name of this hand gesture is Aralam. This is to call somebody quickly, come quickly, call somebody. For these purposes we can use. To decorate the hair, we can use this by decorating the hair and applying the eye text to the eyes, like this way. We can use this hand gesture. Sukhatundam hand gesture. Sukhatundam hand gesture we are always using for certain purposes in the Nritya, to show the arrow, and to show the tunnel, to show the curve, like this way, to show, tell something sacred things to somebody, and also sometimes to insult somebody, like that, to show the hatred and insult somebody, like this way. For this we are using this hand gesture. This is called Sukhatunda hand gesture. Sukhatundam. The other hand gesture is Mushti. Mushti we are using for Abhinaya only, and for this to show the firmness, steadiness, stiffness, fight with the people, and move the cot, crush the fruits, and throw something stone, like that way, like this way, taking something and throwing. For all these purposes, a mushti is very much we are using. Moving the cot, and killing something. For all these we are using. And steadiness, firmness, stiffness, and arrogant way, like that way we are showing this mudra. That is Sihara. For Siharam, to show Manmata, that means the god of love. That is, and show the lover, to show the husband, to show the teeth, to show the smile, and to drink something, to push or pull something, and put the applying the pottu. And for all these in Nritya we are using this hand gesture. And meanwhile I have to mention this hand gesture we are using for Adavus also. That is called, this Sihara hand gesture is the common hand gesture for Nirta for beauty hands to show the beauty of the dance. Nirta, we are using it, as well as for the Abhinaya also we are using it for different purposes, to show the husband, to show the teeth, to show the Manmother, the god of love, and also to show the lover, and drinking water, and applying pottu, and pull, something to pull or push. Like that, we are using this hand gesture in Abhinaya. We have learned 10 single hand gestures. So, whatever I am giving you, I am trying to give it the maximum as what I can explain to you. But in some text, you can see little more illustrations also. But meanwhile, I have already given some less books in English for you to learn it. Now with this series, it is useful and helpful for you to understand what I am explaining. Next theory lesson, we will start it from the 11 single hand gestures 11 to we will move on to that.